In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Claude AI give you concise responses. If you've ever felt like an answer is longer than you need, this quick workflow will help you guide Claude to be brief, focused, and to the point. We'll use Claude's built-in concise option so you don't have to rewrite your whole prompt every time. Start by opening a new chat and typing your prompt into the message box. Keep the prompt clear and specific so Claude knows exactly what to answer. For example, you could write, "How electricity gets to your house." That's a single topic, easy to interpret, and perfect for a compact explanation. If you already know you want a tight reply, you can also add a gentle constraint right in the prompt, like explain in 3 sentences, but the concise setting will do most of the work for you. Next, look for the small plus sign near the message box. This icon opens extra options for how Claude should respond. If your window is very narrow, you might need to widen it or scroll a bit to see the plus sign. Click it to reveal the response presets. From the options that appear, choose Concise. This tells Claude to keep its reply brief, prioritize the main points, and skip filler. It's especially helpful for quick overviews, summaries, or answers you plan to copy into notes or a message. Selecting Concise won't remove important facts. It just nudges the model to deliver them with fewer words and less redundancy. With your prompt written and concise selected, go ahead and submit your message. Click the Submit button to the right of the input field. Claude will generate a compact answer that covers the essentials without going off on tangents. If you find it's still a bit longer than you'd like, you can immediately follow up in the same thread with a plain instruction like shorter or 1-paragraph summary. But often the concise preset is all you need. A few quick tips as you use this. Single questions produce tighter outputs than multi-part prompts. If you must ask several things, list them in a single sentence so Claude can compress them efficiently. Avoid adding unnecessary context that you don't need in the answer. And when you're aiming for brevity, verbs like summarize, outline, or key points in your initial wording reinforce the concise settings effect. That's all there is to it. Write your prompt, click the plus sign, choose Concise, and submit. With this simple flow, you'll consistently get short, high-signal replies that save time while staying accurate.